real talk. This lot right here, right next to the restaurant. What if we just did it, like for real, like real talk? What if we just knocked the wall down, knocked that little wall down, cleared it out, and maybe not concrete it, but make it to where people gravel, to where people can park, because the law right now is saying that people can't park on the Malecon. The government is doing something. Like how much we can't get in that much trouble, could we?
In the criminal justice system, the people are represented by two separate yet equally important groups: the police who investigate crime and the district attorneys who prosecute the offenders. These are their stories.
Ritmo.
So what is going on, social media socialites? I am actually here at one of my favorite restaurants in Cabarete called Nectar. It's called Nectar. You guys must try it out. It's an amazing view. And they have some awesome ceviche and sushi. Todo bien. So as a matter of fact, let me show you guys the owners. These are the owners. So this is Allison, and this is her husband, the chef of Nectar. YouTube, Facebook, and YouTube. Yes, Nectar. So these guys are the owners of Nectar. Yes, these guys are the owners of Nectar. Yes, these guys are the owners. Yes, you have to come. The most amazing view, restaurant with the most amazing view, and the best sushi and ceviche I have had in the Dominican Republic. Hands down. Hands down. So this cigar right here is one of the cigars from our line. You dig what I'm saying? And this one is called the Presidente cigar. And so that means we got a shout out to the new president of the United States of America, President Joe Biden. Shout out to President Joe Biden. Congratulations for becoming the 46th president of the United States of America.
You're hired.
You're hired. And Trump, you're fired.
Fuck off! You gonna play games, man? Hey, I'm fucking somebody else. Hey!
So shout out to President Joe Biden. This cigar is for you, Presidente. Shout out to Joe Biden to becoming the 46th president of the United States. So shout out to you.
All of these states that we've won tonight, and then you take a look at the kind of margins that we've won them by. Frankly, we did win this election.
Will you shut up, man?
Listen,
Mr. Vice President speaking.
Yeah, so shout out to President Biden for becoming the 46th president of the United States of America. So this cigar is for him. I really hope that Biden's in his speech to Trump says, "You're fired." That would make me so happy if he did that, because you're fired. So we are here at Nectar at one of my favorite spots in Cabarete. One of my favorite spots in Cabarete. They have some amazing sushi, amazing ceviche, amazing views. And so this week, you know, my brother and I decided to come out and celebrate Joe Biden's victory, you did, and also talk to the owner of Nectar, Allison. She's a good friend of ours, and we're just talking about the restaurant, just talking about how we're doing with construction, and just iron sharpens iron. Listen, iron sharpens iron, wood sharpens iron, and water rusts iron. That means that you need to have people around you that's just as sharp as you, that are on the same playing field as you, that's doing the same things that you're doing, that helps you to stay sharp. Wood dulls iron, which means that if you're always working and you're always working and you're always working, but you never take time to replenish yourself, to add fire or add iron to yourself, you're gonna make yourself dull. And water rusts iron, which means that if you got people that's always trying to soothe you, to tell you you're right when you're wrong, like people like Trump's people and like Deontay Wilder's people, that's telling them that they right when they delusional, you become rested, you dig? So iron sharpens iron, wood dulls iron, and water rusts iron. So we just decided to come here and get some amazing sushi and just talk about what's been going on with the restaurant. So the last couple of weeks, what did we do? We started Demolition. Now the thing about Demolition is that once you start, ain't no telling what you're gonna find. Listen to me.
There's mold. Look at that. Mold all over. But I like the exposed roof though. It's amazing, bro. We can definitely do something with that. When we refinish that, it'll be hot.
Hola, Guachi. ¿Qué pasa? ¿Todo bien? Gracias a Dios. Sí. Hola, amigo.
Hola. What's up?
What's up? ¿Qué pasa? ¿Es Esmeralda aquí? Esmeralda? ¿Dónde está? Esmeralda? Oh, Emerald? Blanco chica.
He's coming.
Okay, it's coming. Okay. Good job. Okay, so they're taking it down already. Yes, sir. Okay, that's good.
So this is the part I was telling you about, bro.
Yeah. So we can see
How some parts needed, some parts not.
yeah.
Like this grid.
The grid is not needed. That's perfect. That's what I wanted to see and needed to see. What was load bearing and what's not load bearing. That's perfect. Perfect.
Buenos días. Hola, señores. Wow. Todo es completo. Wow. Whew. Completo. Man.
Holding that distance.
Look, they are still not finished. They're still not finished. They're still not finished yet. Okay, looks like locksmith is here. ¿Dónde es? No, the basuro.
Sí.
Oh, they're coming back.
Sí.
Okay, gracias. Okay, gracias. So it's a lot better in here. The inside is a lot better, but I think we're gonna have to give David a raise. We're gonna have to give David a raise because look, he's outside cleaning. Where the cleaning crew didn't, the guys did not come. They're not here, and they did not come. Man, I'm gonna have to give that man a raise. I'm gonna have to give him some money for helping because he does not need to be doing this, and he's doing it by himself too. So that's crazy. That's crazy. Look at this, man. David is the man. David is the man. This is crazy. So, man, I'm gonna have to give him something. I gotta give him something for lunch. I'm gonna give him something. Okay. So when we started the demolition, there was actually mold in the ceiling.
Yeah, that's common here.
It's very common, yeah, in the ceiling. So now
How to deal with that?
we took it out. We just completely took it out, and we actually pitched the roof. So the roof was
So
flat.
you're not going to get any
Anymore. That's right.
accumulation of water.
So what we did was, so the roof was like this, and so what we did was we raised the roof and we pitched it, and so now that water will not pool, and so we're building a canal. They call it a canal, but we call it, what is it called? A gutter to catch the water and everything. And so the thing about the exposed ceiling is that it creates that contemporary feeling, that Atlanta loft style, that Atlanta flavor, that Atlanta loft style. So we decided to go with the pitched roof and whatnot, and the contemporary roof. Now, it is beautiful in the Dominican Republic, but it is also rainy season. So we had the roof exposed for almost a month, and one day it just rained and like heaven opened up like Noah's Ark, and it just rained and rained. I was like, Lord have mercy, what in the world are we gonna do? I don't know, we'll take this. Let y'all see, the sign is changing. It's going down, construction is going on, so it's going on. Trying to make the donuts. Beautiful day out here on the Malecon. Beautiful day. Tenga buen día, mi gentes. Tenga buen día. Time to make the donuts. These trees is about to be gone. So this week, the plan is that these trees are going to be gone. This sign, we're just kind of leaving it up. That's probably going to be the last thing that we do. Just to do like an unveiling type of thing. The roof is definitely be done this week, and the outdoor kitchen is going to be done this week. So let's look and see how they're doing with the roof. How the roof looking, bro? I see the welding going on. Hola. Man, look how tall it is. It'd be dope if we can go all the way up to the if we can go all the way up to the what's it saying? Solar panels. We're working on it. So, progress. A lot of good progress.
4 to 6 weeks later.
Okay, we need a meeting.
Look at how bad the rain is coming down. Increíble. Look at how bad the rain is coming down. And listen to the sound of that beautiful techo. It's dry as a bone in here, baby. It's dry as a bone. Wow. Now, one good thing is that above our roof, we have solar panels. One great thing about that building is that there is solar power. So the solar panels actually protected and saved a lot of the interior from getting damaged and getting a lot of water damage that was done. So I was really, really excited about that, really, really happy about that. The next thing that we actually faced was that doggone tree. It seems like that tree was the smallest little thing to get done. I'm thinking that we was gonna be able to get that tree taken down, but in the Dominican Republic, the trees are protected.
Yeah.
So it is like pulling teeth in order to get the trees removed. So like if you guys remember, when I first did the walkthrough, it was a lot of that tree was overlooking the outdoor kitchen, and I was like, we gotta cut this tree down. So in the US it's easy, you know what I'm saying? In the US it's easy, you know what I'm saying? You just make it do what it do, you just cut it down. It's better to ask forgiveness than ask for permission. And that was a mistake that I was thinking when I was like, let's just cut some stuff. Like, you can, don't ask for forgiveness and ask for permission. You're gonna end up in jail in the Dominican Republic.
Yes.
One of the ways I almost made this mistake was with the lot next door. So, man, so much adversity, but we overcome all of it though. Just the great thing about this is, like, when y'all see me doing these explainer videos or these talking videos, it's in hindsight. It's afterwards. It's after we've already done. It's after we've already completed. So at the time, the government shut down the Malecon, and everybody, all the haters and everybody was, oh, geez, you're gonna fail. You stupid, you bought a restaurant during COVID. They shut down the Malecon, what are you gonna do? And so one of the things is that we needed a place to, so let's think we can kill two birds with one stone, knock down a tree, and then just turn the lot next to us to a parking lot. So after long, deliberate conversations with the powers that be, and a lot of trips back and forth to Santiago, we discovered the best thing would be just to wait out, because it was gonna lift, which it did. It did not last long, but we were able to get the okay to take the tree down. So we were able to take the tree down just like the Dominicans do.
What did we?
Real talk. This lot right here, right next to the restaurant. What if we just did it, like for real, like real talk? What if we just knocked the wall down, knocked that little wall down, cleared it out, and maybe not concrete it, but make it to where people gravel, to where people can park, because the law right now is saying that people can't park on the Malecon. The government is doing something. Like, how much we can't get in that much trouble, could we?
16 paranoia-filled days later.
Do it like this. I gotta show y'all my man cutting the tree down. He's doing his thing. Cutting down the tree. Let's see. Oh, he's down. No, there you go. My man cutting the tree down with a machete. He doing his thing. Y'all remember how this thing used to be full? Y'all remember how big and full this thing was? My man killing it with the machete. I know, look at all he cut down. Wow. Increíble. I tell you, Dominicans can get it done. I don't care what you say. Dominicans make no excuses. They can make it happen, boy. They get it done. What's quality?
He said that.
So it's 4,500.
45,000.
45,000. So
45,000 pesos.
45 mil pesos.
Yes. Yeah. I think that.
So that's it, guys. I mean, we're almost done with all of the demo. Right now, we're in the ordering stages, and everything is coming through customs. And that was one of the reasons why I wanted to come here to talk to my friend Allison at Nectar, because she brought her entire restaurant. Like, her husband is from Venezuela, and this beautiful restaurant, she just brought everything with her. So she has a really good connect with customs. And so I came here to, like I said, get some sushi, chop it up with her, so that we can figure out the next stage of getting everything delivered through customs, because that's been one of the biggest obstacles that I faced, doing it on the level that we're doing it on. Because I'm excited to say, besides having the contracts with the cigar company here locally, we also have a hookah company from the Midwest, not Midwest, Middle East. Where are they coming from, Tom?
Yeah, we getting it. He didn't tell me exactly, but
The Middle East.
yeah.
So from the Middle East. So from the Middle East, we have our hookahs and our shishas coming in. So we have a really good distribution deal with that. So I'm really excited about that. So with those two things, we really need to have a guy, not just a couple. Like, we need a dedicated guy that's going to be able to help us get stuff done like we need to get stuff done. So that's the main reasons why I wanted to come and holler at my friend Allison, and also get some good sushi, and also celebrate President Joe Biden for becoming the 46th president of the United States of America. And that's about it, guys. So listen, thanks so much for following the journey. I know it was a lot of clips put together, me trying to explain everything. So with the next footage that we have, it's going to be more of the cigar factory and also the floor outside patio, because that outside patio looks horrible. Wait till y'all see what we did to the patio. So listen, guys, if you are interested in wanting to become an expat entrepreneur, I want you to say, "Let me in the comments below." And as soon as we are done with creating this online course, we are going to allow you guys to get access to a private Facebook group, to a private WhatsApp group of like-minded entrepreneurs, so that way you can learn and glean off of others. You will also get access to our private events that we have. We have a private event every single quarter that's an expat lifestyle event. So you guys will be able to get access to that. So if you guys are interested, I want you to say, "Let me in" the comments below. So once it's ready, me or a member of my team will share the link underneath your comment, so that way you can join and learn how to become an expat entrepreneur and make your dream a reality. So listen, guys, remember, the only person stopping you from being successful is you. If you don't know it, you can learn it. If you don't have the character, you can develop it. If you do not have a mentor, you have met him, I will be your mentor. The only person stopping you from being successful is you. Go get him. Success is waiting for you.
When you working hard, then your money start expanding. working hard, then your money start expanding. When you working hard, then your money start expanding. When you working hard, then your money start expanding. When you working hard, then your money start expanding. When you working hard, then your money start expanding. When you working hard, then your money start expanding. When you working hard, then your money start expanding.